The article Content Rating and Labeling in the main Spanish televisions, published by Revista Latina de Comunicación Social, analyzes how Spain's broadcasters rate and label the contents of television programs, and more specifically those programs which are scheduled to be broadcast on times intended to be of child protection and enhanced protection. The objective of this article is to check whether these rating and labeling processes are done in accordance with the provisions contained both in the General Law on Audiovisual Communication and in the Code of Self-Regulation on Television Content and Children, signed by the national and regional broadcasters, including Address Media Group, Mediaset Group, the national public broadcaster RTVE, and the regional ones. This question of content rating and labeling is right now a very topical issue because the National Commission of Markets and Competition has been working since late 2014 along with televisions and various social organizations in redefining the criteria set out in the Self-Regulation Code. The results reported in this article have been provided as study material for this process of reflection and redefinition. The research is based on analysis of the labeling adopted by each one of the different television channels affected by the Self-Regulation Code and on a double-fee questionnaire addressed to a panel of experts from these TV channels and broadcast organizations. The expert panel has been completed with the opinion of two executives of the Spanish audiovisual content producers, MediaPro and Globomedia, and a broadband fiber optics TV operator, specifically the company ONO, and two experts coming from the side of content programming, one of them from TVE and the other one from Vocento Group. This is the first study of this kind in Spain. Its value is in the information provided on the status of the rating and labeling systems being used by television channels in Spain. Besides this, another of the contributions of this study lies in the fact that it shows the difficulties of application being faced by the broadcasting organizations to apply the criteria set by the Code of Self-Regulation and the General Law of Audiovisual Communication. Although the results of this study confirm a certain accomplishment of rating and labeling rules by Spanish broadcasters, it also points out certain deficiencies of the system in force in Spain. First, it is urgently needed a reflection on the guiding criteria of the code. It is also necessary to improve the information mechanism and communication processes with the consumers. There is a need also to approach the question of mobile TV consumption by minors as a specific issue and to define audiovisual literacy policies intended to cover all these fronts.